GOCLEAN Cleaning Machine 9.0. GOCLEAN All-in-one Dry Ice Blasting Cleaning Machine is the newest technology for dry ice cleaning industry. It combines the 3mm pellet dry cleaning system and 0.1 to 0.2 mm microparticle dry ice cleaning systems into one machine to achieve wides of cleaning application. In this video, you will learn how to install the machine and how to use the machine. Now everything is ready. Let us start the machine installation. First, you need to wear gloves before all steps start and you pack the pipes. Because the dry cleaning machine needs the help of air compressor to work. Second, you need to connect dry ice cleaning machine with air compressor machine. First we will start from 0.1 to 0.2 mm pellet dry cleaning system, we will call it A for short. First step, please connect A air compressor pipe inlet port. Second step, please connect A air compressor pipe outlet port. Third step, please connect B air compressor pipe inlet port. Fourth step, please connect B air compressor pipe outlet port. Fifth step, please connect the B dry ice blasting pipe, machine and power line. Sixth step, please connect the B dry ice blasting pipe, suitable gun and power line. Seventh step, please connect the dry ice blasting pipe, machine and power line. Eighth step, please connect the dry ice blasting pipe, suitable gun and power line. The last step, take out the power cable. Connect the power line. Till now, the machine whole installation process is done. Now we are going to show you 0.1 0.2 mm pellet dry cleaning system operation first. First of all, we need to plug into power GOCLEAN dry ice cleaning machine. Prepare a size dry ice brick. You need to open dry ice brick storage device of the machine. Then please put the dry ice brick into the dry ice brick storage device, and after that, please close the dry ice brick storage door. Now you need to turn on the machine by spinning the emergency on/stop button. You will find the screen will light on. Then you need to press enter the system button to open whole system. Next press on off button to open machine. After that, you need to concentrate on machine A and press the button pushing ice and bin a button. Now please adjust dry ice blasting degree to the best degree to clean your target objective. Finally, you can plug in and power on the air compressor machine. Wait for another 30 seconds, then open the gun to clean. Before machine operation, please wear the mask, wear the gloves, and the anti-noise headphones. So this is the whole process for 0.1 to 0.2 mm pellet dry cleaning system operation. Hope you can understand well. At the same time you check cleaning video. Hereby we are going to use 3mm microparticle dry ice cleaning system operation. It is very easy. Open the B opening hood and put the dry ice into the conical funnel storage. Check the air compressor power on. Now everything is ready. You can use B dry ice blasting gun to clean. You can check GOCLEAN dry ice cleaning machine for paint cleaning effect. Now we are going to introduce how to turn off the machine. You can just need to press on off button first, next press emergency on/stop button, last the machine will turn off. If you just need to let machine rest for several minutes, you just need to on off button. Thanks for watching.